to the ground with all these strange little ice things that just fall everywhere. It's like little rocks, but they're all over. Here's the power to Terry's house. The foggy camera. You can't see a thing. Just has a little light saying, battery, battery, battery. It is Luke. Luke, he's peering through the fog. Oh no, it is Luke. And who's this beautiful woman with the wet hair?
Becky. You can't hit the guys on the ground. So
Looks like they're playing a good game of army here.
You can't hit these guys that are on the ground.
And there we have the head of the household.
You have to knock the guy down, then shoot the guy.
I don't think this is very fair.
Now, never aim for the tank first. Or the people will get more mad and they'll start shooting more. And they'll start calling more guys.
There's Teresa getting ready to make us breakfast. This wonderful lady.
Yeah. Let's say the tanks can't.
There she is, proud of her happy running water, warm water that is.
Oh, would you turn that off, David Fraser? I'm going to shoot you.
Because we hear from her neighbor, Bud McGrath, that the town of Flora has no water right now. No water. My fish are probably dead because they're cold.
Yeah, David, you're turning that thing off.
We'll go off in a little bit, the battery light's on.
I'll get my own guys down. Don't do that. I'll get my own guys down.
Here's Becky teaching Luke the principles of warfare.
I have to aim for the tank last.
I would have aimed for it in the middle. Sorry.
Here, we'll get down here so we
Come
can
on,
be
guys. Come on, guys.
angle.
Bazooka guy.
So I still got what counts.
I got your radio, man.
I still got one more guy can talk.
Was this at the end of where we were last night?
Yeah. Now we have Carroll High School. Wonderful Carroll Frozen High School.
My sculpture class was out this last weekend preparing for this weekend's ice show. As you can tell, they went just a little overboard.
Well, they've done a wonderful job.
And that's what we want, a wonderful job. We're going for the grade, of course.
Come on, now look at the sailor's house. Beautiful display of crystal hanging on his trees.
Here's Chapman's house. I hope it's as pretty watching this on television as it is in real life. I mean, this is just beautiful stuff. I'm going to show this in Florida. Let the kids from Louisville and other places see what we went through to get here this weekend.
There's Carol's pretty ice bushes. Carol Stouts.
Will pick up until next week on their regularly scheduled stops. Lynn Tree's Boys and Girls Club will be open from 12 to 7. Health screening has been canceled. The Purdue Women's Annual Meetings originally...
Doesn't look like I'm going to get through to 29 at all. This is 29. See, most of these poles are just gone.
Yeah, it's going to be a while.
They're letting local traffic go through only. if you can see all the ice on the poles or not. See some of these wires that are down. There we've got the snow melting off. Or the ice. Ice is beginning to melt all over. The ice tree. Some basketball. There we have the fence just full of ice.
A&M Futures in Rochester. Matt Weaver's not there today, but Art Weaver is. And how are you doing?
Pretty good, Jim.
Things getting all dug out up there in Rochester?
We get off that's the Board of Trade. March corner is 249 3/4 depth.
Big weed.
March is at 276
Big
down
storm or
3.
fatty one?
May at 284 and a half down 3 3/4. July at 294 down 3 1/4. March goes to 125 and a half down a penny. May at 129 also down 1 cent. Bean product. March meal is at 167.70 down $1.60. March bean oil at 21.88 down. April 80 mile 56.30 down 61 points. April gasoline at 70.25 down 106. And April crude oil at 28.06 down 39 points. The Swiss franc at 73.02 down 33 points. The March April is at 366.60 down $1.